Okay, my name is Sky, and I'm going to teach you all how to draw a cat girl. Now, there may be a couple steps to it. They're not exactly chapters, but they're more like just little steps, and they're very short. Okay, so it's weird, but we're sort of gonna start with the hair, but leave a little space, like that. Do that. And if you want this to be long hair, well, we're going to do this with long hair, so we have to cut it short and just do that first. Now, we are going to make the bangs of the hair like this. Then we're gonna do the lines over, not too much, and put them in like a little, and more in. And stop there and put a line here and then here. See? Now put just a little and then put a little lump up for like the shirt sleeve. See? And then you're gonna bring it across, connecting to that other part, and you're going to go down like this. And you're gonna make fingers. I do 4, but if you wanted, you could do 5. But I usually do 4. And now we are going to do the other arm. And so we're gonna go like that to make the shirt. And if you want like a little design on it, like maybe a cat, let's just say, can do a little design. It really can be anything. I mean, you don't have to do a cat at all. This would be a cat with really chubby cheeks and a really annoyed face. Of course, our person will not have that. If you want this person to have ponytails, do a little loop like that. Then make hair like this. Curve the lines around to make it look like a ponytail. Maybe. And that's like the first part. Then put a line and then put a little hair at the top of this. And put the inside of the ear. Okay. Like that. Then you connect these over to here. Like that. Now we're going to be doing the face. We're going to do like a little mouth. See? Do 2 lines beside each other. Then you're going to do a little nose. It's just like a little line. And then, okay. The eyes can be a little tricky. Just do that. Then underneath, put this, basically the same thing. Then sort of color it in, but very lightly with your pencil. Then you're gonna do a line on the inside, not on that part. If you want some eyelashes, you can put some. Maybe 4 or 3. And then we're gonna do, it gets a little more tricky, just a little though, not that tricky. You're gonna do that. Then you're gonna put a ball on the inside, like this. Then you're gonna put a little something here, like a teeny tiny oval, and you're sort of going to connect a small line very close to this white line, and then color it in with your pencil. Very gently. It's sometimes hard to get in there without making maybe a little mess up, so if you have an eraser, I guess like use one if you mess up. And now, well, we're going to do the legs. It's really simple. It's sort of just, okay, do a line down, do another line here, then sort of continue over here like that. Excuse me. Okay, if you want pockets, it can either be just a pocket or a sewn-in pocket. We're going to do just a pocket. Gonna just do a little line like that. Okay, and she's gonna have a bracelet. Make it sort of look like the bracelet's going behind her hand. Sort of like that. You'll do like just a half circle, then a circle, and another circle and stuff. And that. And that's number 1. You can go to the next video to see how we color her. Bye! Thanks for watching.